Hello and welcome to Headlines. Today I'm Rohit Thildani. We have a group of youngsters with us, Deepika, Ranbir, Ayan, Aditya Kalki. Thank you for joining us, guys. First question to you. Was it kind of obvious after Wake Up Sid that you will work with Ranbir, because the work that you all did really worked well?
Yeah, it was kind of obvious, honestly. We had a great connection making that film. In a sense, I suppose, without being very conscious of it, I was writing, and I think in some odd way at this point in my life, I am writing for him in some way. And I was very happy that he, liked what we were about to do with this film. Yeah. So there wasn't a big tussle about that casting.
Right.
Bunny.
तुम्हारा पीछा तो नहीं करे?
Shut up, Aditi. उसकी तो फैंटेसी है कि दुनिया की सारी लड़कियां उसका पीछा करें.
तुम क्या चाहती हो लाइफ से बनी?
रफ्तार, पागलपन. मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ नैना, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता.
There the press conference, and I saw Meeta quite had a field day when the first press conference happened. Was it expected?
Yeah, it was very much expected. I think that's why the defense was also very strong.
Yeah, I did.
But I
see
think
that also.
by each interview now, so much has been asked that even the answers are on autopilot.
Okay.
But let's not talk about that in this interview. Let's keep this interview more dignified.
Yeah, completely.
बदतमीजी एक बीमारी है, ऐसी बीमारी जो धीरे धीरे वक्त के साथ बुढ़ापे में बदल जाती है. मैं कहता हूं जब तक बुढ़ापा नहीं आता, थोड़ी बदतमीजी ही कर लेते.
I mean, apart from the film shoots and all.
Experience, dude.
I think, like I said earlier, our friendship already began 5 years back, and so there is no beginning, there is a continuation.
Friendship is like wine; it only gets better with age.
He gets scared of a spider.
Third person, they may feel, "Hey, how is this happening? How do you do it? How did they do it?" But these are all normal things, and to you this may sound divangi, but to me it's normal.
तुम समझते क्यों नहीं कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे साथ 2 मिनट और रही तो
क्या ना?
मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो जाएगा फिर से.
What about you? You expected that at the press conference?
Sure, absolutely. But I think after a point, there was one or two that really sort of wound us up, and he sort of stood up for me,
Yeah,
which
I
was
saw
really
that.
nice.
Brilliant defense.
It's important because I think today people turn around and say, why are actors so why do they not discuss their personal lives anymore? And clearly for this reason, because I think when one talks about it, no respect is given to the people who are in a relationship, or the fact that they're being open about a relationship. So yeah, but like we said, we're not discussing it.
We're not discussing that.
तू राइट नहीं है नैना, बस मुझसे पता लग.
जानती हूँ.
Okay, so let's discuss Devani. Ranbir, tell us about your character.
Well, his name is Bunny, and that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
That's not how we sell a film.
I mean, that's what I said. It's very hard to sell a character to make him interesting.
Yeah.
Playing and understanding him itself was very hard for me.
Right.
And you discover it through the making of the film, and you rather have the audience come and discover the character rather than me plant something in their mind that my character is this and this and this and this. Yeah, so my character name is Benny, Naina, Avi, Hadi.
Hi guys. Okay, you got your ear pierced for this one?
Yeah, the thing is that he's such a taskmaster that I didn't really have enough time to do readings and pre-production and really get into the character. And I'm very scared of him because he gives me a lot of grief and a lot of lectures. So I thought if I pierce a hole, maybe he'll think I've done some work. It was very torturous, and he knows. I have a video also of it. I was crying, I was in tears, I have no pain threshold. So I did it purely for Ayan, so he understands that I did something for the film.
Are you happy with that one?
I don't even know whose idea it was. I think it was Ranbir's idea originally as well.
He's just putting it on you.
This has all been put on me like everything else in the film.
Right.
But
it's coming out.
It's
all his frustration is
yeah, it's finally out.
No, it works nicely. Right. It was a nice little different.
Okay. I mean, you've seen him. This is your second film. How was he different this time?
He's pretty much the same in a way how passionate he is, and that he himself has so much of wanderlust in his eyes for making movies that he's same. I don't think he's changed. He's very particular, passionate, and very much in love with his what he wants to do with film and cinema. And that's
Ranbir, on the other hand, is not the same. Yeah, he's become a big star. It was very difficult to work with him. He gave everyone a very tough time on this film. You know, late on set.
We saw
Didn't want to learn his lines.
We saw who was late today.
It's just a testament of my devotion and dedication towards my own. Guys, equipment is से खुद को मोड़ना जानना कंबल दे बचाइए शर्म का ओढ़ना जानना जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है तुम बस छोड़ना जानना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना.
Tell us, how did everyone else come on board? How and when did you plan them?
No, it wasn't really a specific moment. It sort of happened as the script developed and as we, approached the actual shoot of the film. And I mean, I sort of knew everyone, everyone at some level, right? I mean, I knew the work that they'd been doing, etc. Deepika, I knew on a personal level before this came to be. There's not much to say. Everyone felt bang on.
But I remember it was always an instinct because after he spoke to me about the film, every cast member, if it was Naina, Adi, Aditi and Avi, the character names in the film, he always had an instinct. So he used to always call me and say, what do you think of Deepika in this role? What do you think of Kalki in this role? What do you think of Aditya in this role? So these were his first instinct, his first choices. Yeah, I think it's been casted in an instinctive way and not in a very mathematical, this cast will seem good together and they'll gel well together.
And I was very grateful, that both of Kalki and Aditya agreed to be a part of the film, because Deepika I still knew in the lead up to the film, we'd spoken about it a couple of times. So I suppose they were the newer entries into, the mosaic of the film. It was awesome that they agreed to do it. I mean, I'm deeply grateful. I think they've added to the film in ways that only when people watch the film, it'll, show.
बदतमीजी एक बीमारी है, ऐसी बीमारी जो धीरे धीरे वक्त के साथ बुढ़ापे में बदल जाती है. मैं कहता हूं जब तक बुढ़ापा नहीं आता थोड़ी बदतमीजी ही कर लेते.
पान में पुदीना देगा, नाक का नागिना देगा, चिकनी चमेली देगी, चिकना कमीना देगा, सामने चिडर होके चिट किया तो सारे सारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा. मेरी बात तेरी बात क्या बात है, बुरी बात थाली में कंडोरा लेकर आलू भात मूरी भात, मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का. इसमें भूत कोई चढ़ा है, खैर ना जानना, अब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है, फर्क पहचानना, जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जानना. बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना. ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जानना जानना. बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना.
Apart from the fact that it's a Dharma film and he's doing it, what else works for you in Ye Jawani Hai Dini?
I just love script when I read it. Read through Metro, it seemed like a really fun thing to do. It seemed like a fun thing to shoot as well. It seemed like we want to go around and travel around a bit. So, which is always important. And bonus, it's better than nice to shoot in Manali rather than in Goregaon West, So, so I think it just all came together. It seemed like a fun bunch to work with.
तुम मेरा पीछा तो नहीं कर रही?
Shut up, Aditi. इसकी तो फैंटेसी है कि दुनिया की सारी लड़कियां इसका पीछा करें.
Right. What about you?
I think the energy of the film. I think you know, it's. I can't tell you too much of the story, but you know, it has all these wonderfully like commercial elements, but it also has a really beautiful thread to it, which I think is very much Ayan's signature. You know, when he writes, he's ultimately a really good writer as well as a director. So, you know, so he brings something original to it, and that's what I love about it.
Nice. Happy? Guys, tell us about Ayan. You've worked with quite a few directors.
For me, it was a different thing because the first time I was working with a director that was pretty much my age. So it was a lovely experience that we've pretty much grown up watching the same things and had liked the same music and movies and pretty much the same sensibility. So to sit and jam with a guy who's pretty much the same age as you and is the same mold, so to speak, was a new experience for me as it is. That was a basic thing.
Was it new for you?
Basically, you're calling Mr. Bansali, Vipul Shah, and
two of them. They're older, na? They are, and they're young.
Yeah, but you're calling them old. Mohit is young.
Huh?
Mohit is young.
But I worked with him first.
Yeah, I think Ayan is very funny because he's very funny because, like, you know, he has this familiarity immediately. I mean, the first time I met you in the office, he's talking to me like he knows me. You know? Yeah, so baby, you know, listen to me. You know, I just see that this is how Aditi is and blah, blah, blah. So he has this familiarity which sometimes backfires on him because, like, you know, then he can't be taken seriously. Then we're like, he's just kidding, he's just kidding. So he used to keep dismissing him until he got really angry and he was like, come on guys, take me seriously. We have to work, this is very important for me. So he has this two sides, but obviously it's great for us because we feel comfortable all the time on set.
You're also very perceptive about things like as an actor that I feel like in the scene that you do, don't do that's fine. That you do, that you're probably uncomfortable with, and that you know you're pretty much you've got around it, but the dog that he recognizes those little things and he brings it to Paul, he says, you know, you're uncomfortable on that time. You're like, yeah, I wish you didn't see it, but then the fact that he sees it is amazing. That's it.
पुदीना देगा नाकाना गिना देगा गिनी चमेली देगी चिकना कमीना देगा सामने से डर हो के चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा
Deepika, I read an interview yesterday where you said, you know, this is obviously your second film with him, but this film does justice to the acting and the chemistry. Is that true? Is that?
No, I said that I thought that I believe that it's the right film for Ranbir and me to have come together finally. And the fact that Ayan is directing us, because I think nobody knows us better than he does, and I think he sort of came into our lives at a point when we were all sort of, I think, discovering each other in a sense, and it's sort of even the way the film is, you know, in a sense we've all grown up from then, you know, we've known each other for like about 6 years now, and we've all changed a lot as people also from that time. So I felt that he was the right person to bring the two of us together.
तुम समझते क्यों नहीं कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे साथ 2 मिनट और रही तो
क्या
मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो जाएगा फिर से.
You agree this was this gave you more time with Deepika on the sets to understand her as an actor?
I mean, I understood acting. So once I understood that, then I can see an actor in front of me and I can understand what that person is bringing to the film, the kind of energy, the kind of talent, the kind of intelligence, and we all know Deepika has come a long way. Yeah, she surprised me. Adi surprised me. Kalki surprised me. So it was really a bunch of young, cool people who were real talented, and you know, to have to work with them and have fun while working. I think the whole film has been a fun work time for me.
मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ नैना, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. तू राइट नहीं है नैना, बस मुझसे बहुत अलग है.
जानती हूँ.
So it looks also fun. You actually took him abroad to France to shoot a scene, and you took 10 days to shoot a final thing. What was that all about?
Shoot for 2 days. They just took a 10-day holiday. That's all they did. And
He takes advantage of Karan Johar.
The whole film, I mean, we spent a good amount of time shooting it. I think especially from where like Kalki comes, for example, I think she's very surprised that we've shot this film for so long, because most of our other films have been like very quick. So I hear that a lot.
Adi started Ashiki in our third schedule, and the film has released
before
2 months. He signed the film, he shot the film released, he's still at it. And he's still mixing films. It's not out.
So it took, yeah, well, it took some time, but you know, hopefully the film will be better because
he
of it.
decided he needed a holiday, and so he decided to
Go to Argentina.
go to
find
Argentina,
locations.
which it was always Argentina.
Yeah, then we went to France.
Then we came.
Other actors are watching this. I'm sure they would love to work with you for this.
We were also supposed to go to Argentina.
We were all done, yeah, one by one.
So Deepika was very worried about our budget. She would call me every night and say, no, this Argentina schedule doesn't make sense. Please cancel it. We'll shoot
Because
in
it was
India.
not necessary.
You know,
I'm telling you,
it would have been
have
the
you seen
best
the
thing in
film?
the world.
Have you seen the film? It's for 2 minutes.
Deepika, you didn't want to go there.
See, one, I was feeling really left out because I was not a part of that schedule. Okay?
Oh, that's why. That's why.
Secondly, it's in the film for like 5 minutes. It could have been shot anywhere. You just have to show that this one character in the film goes somewhere.
But like Ranbir said, he has Karan Johar as a producer, so there's no worry.
Yeah, Karan just spoiled him.
So now we are playing Dashraj. The rules are simple. Ranbir, Deepika, team, you give them a film, they will enact, and these guys have to guess. I'll give them a film, and so
You already thought of your film.
Of course.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why can't you give both of them a film? Because you might have thought of it.
Okay, I'll tell you. Tell them. No problem.
Cool.
Okay, shuru karo.
Yeah. So I'll tell them first,
And we have to guess.
Yeah.
Both of you act the same film.
Yeah.
And we both will guess.
Exactly.
And we both will act the same film. And then you'll.
That's simple. Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so let's go. You all should
Yeah,
start
I'm
first.
done.
Let them act, so we'll get some tips.
Should
They
we
will
do
mess
it?
it up. I'll enjoy this. Oh! Oh!
You.
Kalki is an Ichidan.
Boot.
Yeah, yellow
Girl,
boots.
girl in the yellow boots.
Correct name.
Girl in the yellow boots.
Is that true?
Girl in yellow boots.
Girl, yellow boots.
First word.
First word.
The.
Don't. Then,
What is this? Another name. Another movie. Same movie.
same movie.
The. Then.
That, then.
Then.
That.
Oh, that girl in
That's
yellow.
good.
What is
It was getting. It was getting. Dad.
Why are you making more sound?
So now you.
You give them.
Okay, you're sitting there.
Very
Yeah.
simple. That's too simple. You have to give me
He,
another.
how will you do
Too
it?
simple. Trust
Okay, so think of a difficult one.
Okay, what is the film?
Avara.
Hey,
Arey,
how
yeah.
will you do it?
Just back to my house.
Okay.
You will not have guessed.
Yeah.
It's going to be damn hard. Don't make it hard, yeah. Come on. Ayan, you're doing on purpose.
Yeah.
First word.
One word.
One word only. हिम्मत वाला.
Old movie.
Oh, that
They won't know it.
रेखा वाला. उमराव जान.
Okay, wait.
Okay, 2 parts. Okay, first, second part. चली गई, gone. चली गई, गई. Second part. First part.
Then discuss it.
और लगा.
Arey, what I'm doing, think.
Okay, first. So something to do with dancing. Is it Rekha? It's a Rekha film? Madhuri film? Even older.
Yeah.
I don't know older.
Older than that also. Madhubala ka time pe.
Is it a Gurudhat film?
No.
Now I've run out of options.
Listen.
Some Bharatnatyam.
In the past?
No. Second part.
Yeah, this is fine.
चली गई.
Because it's a very long.
चली गई.
That's right, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
गई.
They don't know it directly. You have to break it.
चली गई. Third part. Yeah.
Correct, third
part.
Second part.
Second part. Middle part. Chabi. Key.
Good.
Something key. Ashiki.
No. Something key. Something.
Okay, something key. Something. Second.
Okay.
Now third part. Key. Okay, first part. Big. Mustache. King. Raja. Pot belly.
We have 10 seconds.
Shut up, Pakiza.
I'm trying to do small.
You guys.
So if they get
Yeah.
Paki, then they get Za.
This
I was trying to say like
that was
Yeah.
You should have just said Pa.
But these are loose cards. I didn't want them to guess. I thought we both were playing with us.
It's okay.
Yellow, bad girl in yellow boots. They got English.
That's her film, yeah, she got it simple. It's okay, she won. You got a gift hamper from the producer Charan Johar. He's known to do all these
Excuse
things.
me, we guessed.
But they made you guess, yeah, they
Yeah,
made it
we
simple.
were so
But
good.
we were all good at guessing.
Okay, yeah, I'll tell Karan to give her a hamper.
पुदीना देगा ना चना गिना देगा चिकनी चमेली दे किक ना कमी ना दे सामने चिटर होके चीट किया सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा.
Before we go, we talk about Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Give the film a chance. We worked really hard. All this fun that you're seeing, somewhere hopefully it has translated on screen. And come for this boy. He's the future of Indian cinema. And he's really made a really warm, sweet film.
Yeah, I think.
Do the whole thing.
Yeah,
Clap it.
I think.
that one. Yeah.
You know, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani is just this sort of absolute mix and journey of everything. You know, it takes life from a meandering sort of path. It's like a river. You know how we stop in life and we don't look around at like nature and things like this. This film kind of makes you think about that and friendship and love and all those things that we kind of let go by while we're buying a car and getting a job and all those things. So it's about coming back together to the basics, to what really matters, and finding that journey through life, love, and at the end just being happy and smiling.
This journey is fun.
Great, thank you guys. Best of luck, Ranveer. Best of luck, Deepika. Best of luck, guys.
मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ नैना, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. तू राइट नहीं है नैना, बस मुझसे बहुत अलग है.
जानती हूँ.
तुम समझते क्यों नहीं कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे साथ 2 मिनट और रही तो
क्या नैना?
मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो जाएगा फिर से.